Today I'm going to tell you how can you create your team and channels and how can you invite other people. Come on the team, open your team and see that here's DPS. Organization DPS would be tick. If it's okay, then come on the above portion. There are three buttons. Click on create new team. So my team name is class 7 and I want to give privacy private. So keep it private so only you can invite people. Let Let's it create. Yes. Now I have created the team or it is asking for adding me the person, but not now. First inside the class 7 there's a group general. I will create other channels. Like first channel is computer, means you can say the subject computer. Yes. Privacy, keep it standard, open to everyone, click OK. Like this you can create other subjects also. Next is maths, standard, privacy should be standard. Okay, maths. Third one, you can take computer, maths, Hindi. Like this you have to create all subjects in class 7. If there are 10 subjects in class 7, so you have to create all 10 subjects inside the class 7. So now look, is like this you can add more subjects, but main thing is that how will you invite teachers and students. So for this what you have to do, go to manage member. First I want to invite the coordinator of class 7, that is Sangeeta ma'am. So I see that I have ID or not. Sangeeta 728, this is the ID I had already because I had invited her once. So just click on tick button. My invitation will go to her email account. From there she will invite herself, maybe she will click on the invite button and she will join the team like this. So like this, now what you have to do, again go to the manage member, because Sangeeta ma'am is a owner, to make owner. If she is owner, she can remove other member also. From here, owner means who can handle the channel, who can handle the team. Now from here again you have to invite your student one by one. Just write his email address here and click on the tick button. So invitation will go to that person and inform him or her to join from that link. So like this you can invite other people to that team. So suppose a student, so this is a class 7, so you can invite only class 7 students. So in his account he will able to see only class 7 because I invited him for class 7. Suppose, and same thing is you want to invite him for class 6 also, so you will have to invite him for class 6, class 10, class 8 also. Like principal ma'am, I have to invite her for all classes. So I will write her DPS principal. I see Manju ma'am, MANJU. I had invited her already. So like this I can invite her for the class 6, class 7th. Okay, I invited her, so I will make her owner here. So now she can handle the team also. Now like this you have to invite all the students one by one and ask them you are able to see your class or not. And coordinator, please add your subjects here in as a like manage channel, and you can add your subject from here. Sanskrit, like this. So first complete this task, invite your student gradually one by one, send link to take email IDs, send link them and just let them join gradually. After that I will tell you another step what you have to do, how can you schedule meetings, how can you take classes. Oh yeah, one more thing, suppose journal is a group. Here you can send all general messages like tomorrow is holiday, on the 15th August there's a holiday, like this. And like computer, so this is my subject, so I will handle it. Suppose I have to post messages related to my subject only, so I will keep here, I will send here. So you can segregate means you are your teacher, mean yours, you can handle your subject only, so nobody will interfere in your subject. Suppose a student want to see the homework what I have given in computer, so he will check the computer group only. So like this you can handle and you can adjust. So thank you for watching this video.